Hey, this is Lynette from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're going to be unboxing a new subscription to our channel, and this is Splendies. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. I am super excited. We have a brand new subscription to our channel, and I don't know how I've missed this subscription. For those of you who follow my channel, you guys know we do a bunch of different subscriptions. We do unboxings for different subscriptions out there. So if you dig videos like that, definitely like and subscribe. But I always unbox a subscription that my husband gets for different underwear and t-shirts and socks that he gets. So like underwear, more so for him. And I was kind of jealous every time he got his package, because I'm like, why don't they have something like that for women? And I didn't really do any research. I just would unbox those basic man subscriptions here in this channel. So that's the one that he gets. So if you have a husband, just look for that one on my channel. You guys can totally check that out. But I never really looked into it. So recently, within the last package that I unboxed, I said there has to be something for women. And lo and behold, I found Splendies. So for those of you who don't know, Splendies is a woman's underwear subscription. You get 3 different types of underwear. And as of the taping of this video, I will put the information in the description below for Splendies. I was able to try this out as my first, well, I'm definitely keeping it, but I was able to order my first package at 50% off. So I will put the coupon code in the description below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can totally get 50% off just like I did. I'm sure at the timing of this video, it was still live and still working, so I would definitely share that with you guys. So the beauty of this subscription that I love, it's just $14.99. You get 3 different underwear types every month, and so you get to refresh your underwear in your underwear drawer, basically. And from the quality that I've seen and have seen other YouTube videos, they've been phenomenal. The quality has been high, cotton, spandex, very high quality, very soft. Usually the times that I get underwear, it's usually that semi-annual sale from Victoria's Secrets, but I hate waiting just twice a year to refresh my underwear. So if this is just gonna come to me every month, I'm definitely gonna get it. And my daughter and I usually that's when we normally get our underwear, when that sale is. But the beauty of this one is I'm gonna get a subscription for her, and I'm gonna get a subscription for me, so we don't have to wait anymore for that semi-annual sale. Who wants to refresh that underwear drawer just twice a year? So you might as well get it done with a mystery. So the beauty of this subscription that I love is that you can mix it up. So you can either just get all thongs, you can get just regular cotton panty or regular panties, or just a mixture of the two. So you can have a mixture of thongs and then cotton, or just all regular cotton panty, or I'm sorry, all regular underwear. Sorry, getting it all mixed up. So you have thongs, cotton, regular panties, or a mystery, so a mixture of all of them. So what I chose as my first package, I chose to mix it up a bunch. So I'll probably go in between regular and mixing it up, just so I can get a variety of different underwears for me. So I'm definitely excited to open up my very first Splendies box. So let's take a look and see what came this month. And so let me see here. And the packaging of these are always so pretty from what I've seen. So they come, of course, in this package, but then they also come in this pretty tissue paper. So they have it all nice and pretty for you. So when you get it and you see there's a Splendies sticker, so that you guys can take that off, and let's see exactly what we got for our first package. And then next month, probably gonna have, the next one will be my daughter's subscription. I'm not too sure, but we'll see next month. This is one that we definitely want to keep. So I'm pulling out the very first one that I see here. So the very first one that I see is a thong. So that's what's here, and then you can see that. And the pretty thing I love is the little bow, and then the lace detail. As you can see that, so there's lace detail on the side, and then you see the lace goes on about. This one is from Wilshire in Montana. This one retails for $12. So if you got, from what I've seen, again, they've all been $12. So you definitely get more than what the retail value is, way more from what you're paying for. So I love these. It's very cotton. Let me see if I can see the material on here. Let's see. It's rayon and spandex. So usually that's what it is when it's a thong. So that I love it. So that's the first pair. And then the next pair, it's pretty again. So this one is, you can see here, has a bow again. So I'm gonna fix that for you guys. So there's a bow there. And then this one is like a Tiffany. I would say this is like, it looks green on the video, but it's more of a Tiffany. It doesn't show, well, you guys can see that there. It's more of a Tiffany blue. And then you guys can see the lace detail at the top right there. And then you can see there's lace along the sides also. But this is, if you know those Tiffany bags that are out there, this is more so of that Tiffany blue. It kind of looks green on the screen. It's very soft. And let me see what this is from the Splendies brand right there. This one is a $12 retail value for that, and that one is really super soft. So then the next one is again from the Splendies brand, and this one is in kind of like a I guess you can say like a dark red one. So this one again is from Splendies, and this one also is a $12 retail value. And if you guys can see that, that has lace on the side and it's outlined in lace. Very soft material. I'm telling you guys, this is definitely worth it. So that's what came for me this month. Have you guys tried Splendies out yet? Are you guys still on the fence? Definitely, this is one I would definitely subscribe to. I would definitely get this. The value of all these of all this underwear is way beyond the retail value of what you're gonna pay for. So $14.99, and then again, I will put that coupon code in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So with that being said, let me know if you guys subscribed this month. Let me know if you subscribed after watching this video. Let me know if you've had Splendies before. Are we bag twins? Let me know for sure. And if you guys dig videos like this, definitely like and subscribe, and we will definitely see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.